Hello, YouTube. An atmospheric river is expected to flow, or multiple atmospheric rivers, I should say, are expected to flow into the Pacific Northwest and also heighten flood and avalanche threats. Fueled by multiple atmospheric rivers, this active pattern carries potential to unleash flooding downpours, spark mudslides, halt travel on highways, and elevate the avalanche danger around the mountain peaks. A substantial storm is on track to arrive early week, marking the beginning of a period of increasingly frequent systems expected to impact the area through mid month. Starting Monday, the storm will start to unleash several inches of rain from western British Columbia, Canada, to western Washington and Oregon. And while rain and showers will spread across the region over the course of the weekend, yes, of course, a more widespread and heavier event is in store for portions of Washington and Oregon come Monday. Between 2 to 4 inches of rain is expected for cities like Seattle and along Oregon's Interstate 5 corridor, including the Eugene area. Depending on the location and surrounding terrain, amounts from 2 to 4 inches could be enough to trigger localized flooding. The most notable rainfall amounts expected from Monday to Tuesday night is 4 to 8 inches for the coastal zones, upslope regions, and higher elevations of the Olympic Mountains and Cascades. Portland will be among some of the locations projected to collect upwards of 4 inches of rain. Across these coastal and mountainous zones where significant flooding, landslides, and road washouts could unfold is where forecasters are highlighting the best chance for rainfall totals to approach 22 inches. Well, if that's the whole case. And as the early week storm pushes onshore, winds will strengthen along the coast and across the coastal range. Coastal gusts are expected to reach 35 to 45 miles per hour during the day on Monday, while eastern Washington and Oregon may see winds of similar intensity by Monday evening. Farther inland, the storm's energy will set the stage for a blustery stretch across Montana, Wyoming, and into the Dakotas on Tuesday and Tuesday night. Forecasters caution that residents in the Montana-Wyoming corridor may experience only a brief lull in the winds Tuesday night before the next approaching storm drives another round of potentially damaging gusts. And as the storm evolves, the precipitation type and the associated hazards will change as moisture advances across the Washington Cascades. Forecasters say that rising snow levels and an influx of warmer Pacific air will shape the risks in the coming days. Beyond the Monday to Wednesday storm, additional storm activity will persist through the latter half of the week and potentially extend into the week prior to Christmas. This rampage of rain, wind, and mountain snow will only compound the hazards brought by the first storm. The risk of flooding, mudslides, travel, snarling mountain snow, and avalanches will remain elevated. And as cooler air filters into the region later next week, snow levels are likely to drop, potentially sinking to near sea level and broadening the areas that could experience disruptive snowfall. Over the highest mountain peaks in the Northwest, there's the potential for feet of snow in the double digits to fall over the next few weeks. In the upcoming weeks and as the winter holidays draw closer, heavy rain and reduced visibility can cause flight delays and cancellations at area airports. Impacts of this nature during the busier holiday travel season can result in a domino effect across the nation's air trafficking grid. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below.